smudging my balcony with pinon pine smudge. This is from an evergreen tree that comes from the Southwest, and it has a nice woodsy scent, but it's a good way to cleanse, for spiritual purification, for healing, to promote positive energy, and an added benefit, it repels insects. So I smudge my house. I often use white sage, but I have different sages that I bought in New Mexico, different smudges rather. And this again is pinon pine smudge. So here's a look at my vegetable and herb garden progress. Things are growing nicely. I have flowers on the eggplant. I have flowers on both types of peppers. And I already have little tiny cherry tomatoes on the vine and more flowers. So things are progressing, the herbs are growing. Most of the seeds have germinated. And there's little weeding to do with a balcony container gardening. So I water and watch the progress. I have little cherry tomatoes on my vine. Beautiful Swiss chard and butter crunch lettuce. Peppers are coming. This lavender and chocolate mint smells so heavenly right next to my seat. And all my herbs are doing great. There's the rosemary. Basil from seeds is coming up. Mint. Oregano is coming back from last year. This is lemon thyme. Smells heavenly. Sage. Parsley. And chives is not doing good. I'm getting ready to pull this up today and put something else in its place. I'm not sure what herb. Marjoram, I think. And this is okra from seeds. Blueberry. Cucumbers from seeds. And I showed you the tomatoes. And lots of onions. And marigolds all through, because marigolds help repel bugs and snakes. And nasturtiums over here.